the brush. Now we gotta, that's mine, Batman. Got little Robin Hood. Okay. All right. Oh, never easy. Even though you are my good patient. I've been coming around the idea for electric toothbrushes. However, I'm a dentist, but I'm not a mechanic. So how do I know after a year or so that this brush is moving the way it's supposed to be moving? It's a product. So I gotta buy this expensive brush every 1 to 2 years. I don't know. We shall see. I can trust this. Of course, there's a better way of doing everything. But I can trust this. Sometimes we need to be better. Especially for Chase. This son works in different children, they need different things. And he allows me to brush and has the perfect amount of openness and movement in his cheeks. And this child is good for a hand brush. Hands on it. Floss. Didn't run that floss. Look at how my hands are. Alright, open. Thank you. And you always want to have eyes on your child's teeth every single day. Twice a day. At least in a shared co-parent situation every time you can. Can you stand up, please? Alright, thank you. This is not easy. This is not glamorous. This is real. This is love. This is an investment on the future. An investment on there every day. All right, done.